Challenge yourself to become a better photographer in just 30 days. Challenge number 7 is a fast one. It's automotive photography. Personally, I've done a lot of automotive photography, and the easy way to get started is to look on Facebook or Google or some kind of community page and find a local car show. Now, just to let you know that typically if you're able to get into a car show and it's like a non-paid event, the cars are fair game for you to shoot with your camera. But if they have a sign that says, please no photographs with this car, then you respect that. So what you can do to make attractive automotive photos is you can always take a picture of the entire car. But what you want to do is get the detail. You need to get down and maybe be on your knees, take a look at the car from a lower level, get the rims and how intricate they are, get the gauges of the car, see how they are, and if the person, usually I've noticed most proud car owners would say, oh, you want me to open the door for you? And they'll turn it on, and so usually get a picture of the gauges on. I get a picture of the seats, usually they're really nice seats, but also get a picture of the emblems. They've kind of modified the emblem sometimes. They're a proud Dodge owner, a proud Ford owner, so kind of feature that in the photography. You might get something that's like really being able to work on the rule of thirds by getting the emblem and then get the rest of the car down low. And also you want to use a wide angle lens. Usually wide angle lens with a zoom will help you. But remember, get the details of the car, because think about this. These individuals have spent a lot of money on these cars and they've paid attention to those details. And if you can draw those details out, then you've kind of made them a proud owner of the car. And that's what they want people to see, and you can emphasize that cool aspect. Again, remember, you want your art displayed. How would you like to see your photos of these cars displayed? Just as much as you want to be proud of them, these individuals who own these cars want to see the best aspects of those too. Think about your customer, think about who would put these on their wall, and keep working on your photography. Stick with us, we have a new challenge tomorrow. Thank you so much. Remember, tag us with Phototropics30 with any of your photos that you post.